Hello everyone, mega loud shout out. Unica Angel 10 here saying a happy anniversary to our Mom Shefe na celebrate today. And I just want to say also thank you so much, Nak, for always there for me, of course. Although alam ko na hindi ako nakaka-support back sa'yo dahil magkaiba tayo ng oras. But alam ko rin na naunawaan mo yung mga ganung bagay. But of course, andito lang naman ako always as long as I can. Ayan. And enjoy. Enjoy your day. Yan, yung iyong anniversary today. Thank you.
Patience.
Hello, Mom Chaffee. This is Ken and Jovi from Pinoy U.S. Adventure. And we would like to wish you a happy 4
years monetized channel. Ang galing-galing, anak. Ang ganda mo. Ang ganda ng channel mo. Continue to be good. I know you love Mommy and Daddy. Mommy Jovita and Daddy Ken. You are a good lady. Pretty inside and out. Continue the good service in your channel. And as always, God bless. Love, anak.
Ayan, mega love shoutout. This is Love TV once again. Meron lang tayong papatiin na mag-birthday daw. Magsi-celebrate ang kanyang 4th year. Grabe, 4 na taon. Ang aking partner. Partner, Ma'am Shepe, happy 4th year. Birthday at channel. May papayo lang natin sa ating partner is keep it up the good work. Keep it up the good work. Yan, medyo lambingan mo pa para sana mahakot no? Mga subscriber at followers sa iyong YouTube channel. Ayan, congratulations. Meron ka ng, alam mo na, yung silver play button na keep it up and stay healthy, always smile at kalog sa ating life. Yan. Congratulations ulit sa 4th year anniversary. Yan. Congratulations. Ayan. Thank you rin sa support mo kay Love TV. Yan. Hanggang sa muli, partner. Kita-kita na lang tayo sa ating mga live. Bye-bye!
Hello, Mom Shepe. Good morning to you. I just want to wish you a happy 4 years anniversary and more years to come. And stay strong and be well. And I hope you get to keep all your friends, the people that loves you, and especially me, Mom Shepe. Love always. Always take care of yourself, okay? Pleasure of meeting you. Pleasure of meeting all your friends. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Hello, Mom Shepe. Congratulations on your 4th year anniversary in YouTube. I just want to say thank you so much for being there and for your support all the time in my channel. I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much also for showing up on our meeting last March in Manila. I'm finally happy to see you, and as you can see, I'm still wearing a bathrobe in here. It's still early in the morning, so I just want to say congratulations.
Happy anniversary, 4th year anniversary sa YouTube channel no, as being monetized channel, and thank you for the friendship, thank you for the company, and I wish you all the best and more power to your channel, and see you again. Happy anniversary. Love Sissy. Happy anniversary.
Mom She, congratulations on your 4th year monetized channel anniversary. More years to celebrate being a YouTuber. Okay, so walang ibang pumasok sa isip ko na kanta, Mom She, kundi random. Congratulations, congratulations. Thank you always, Ma'am Shi, for the love and support.
Hello, this is Cherry Papay's Adventure na nagsasabing, congratulations, Ma'am Shipe! Yan, 4 years in the making ang Ma'am Shipe sa kanyang YouTube channel. Yan, congratulations! And, simula nang ma-meet kita, marami na rin na-improve sa'yo, Joke. Pero, napansin ko kasi na mas lalo ka naging ang tawag dito? Chill. Mas lalo kang naging kikay. Yan. Tsaka young looking. Diba? At your age, mukha ka pa ring bata. Mas mukha ka pang bata sa mga nakilala ko. Yan. Happy 4th years anniversary sa YouTube at sa marami pang taon na mag-YouTube tayo, and hopefully na tuloy-tuloy ang ating friendship sa YouTube and supportahan. And kung minsan nawala ako doon, alam mo na, busy kung saan-saan, ganun lang tayo para makamit pa tayo ng more friends sa YouTube. Alam mo na, umiikot tayo kung saan-saan. Yan. And Ma'am Shipe, yan, keep happy lang. Huwag mong isipin ng mga nakaka-stress. Total, ganun ka naman talaga. Gusto mo lagi yung happy lang. Kahit ako ganun din ang gusto ko eh. Yan. Lagi lang tayong i-smile. Yan. At pag nagkasama ulit tayo dahil madalas na tayong nagkakamit, nagkakabanding, kaya more banding pa to come. And more gala. Hopefully. Next na natin, mag-meet up na naman tayo. And, ayun lang. Happy 4th year anniversary uli, Ma'am Shipe, and God bless you and more blessing to come. Yan. And we love you and more revenue. Yun ang pinaka-importante pala doon. Revenue to come. Yan. Happy 4th year anniversary. God bless you and more blessing. Mwah!
Ayan, good morning. Ayan, gusto ko lang i-congratulate, syempre, ang ating Ma'am Shipe. Happy anniversary and congratulations! Nakarating ka na ng 4 years. Sana ako din. 3 years pa lang ako, but anyway, congratulations, Ma'am Shipe. Enjoy mo lang yung pagla-live, at saka yes, ang dami ko nang nakitang pagbabago. Sa'yo simula nang nagkakilala tayo. Di ba? Hindi ka na dati nalulungkot ka pa kapag pag wala yung mga mga best friend mo diyan. Sa live mo, sa top chat mo, nalulungkot ka pa. Ngayon, parang nakikita ko okay na sa'yo kahit wala sila. Minsan nalulungkot ka pa rin, pero syempre tao lang. Naiintindihan ko yan. But, may pagbabago ka na doon. And natutuwa naman ako kasi ayoko na nalulungkot ka dahil lang doon. Kasi hindi naman natin hawak yung life nila. Alright? Magpa 5 years ka pa, Ma'am Shipe. Next time ulit, babatiin ulit kita ng happy anniversary, 5 years. Ngayon, 4 years. Ayan, 4 years ka pa lang. Okay.
Hi, how are you doing? Well, Mom Shife, I am here to wish you a very, very happy anniversary on your 4 years. I'm not going to make this a long speech, but I do want you to know that you're my friend and I appreciate all the things that you have done for me. So, I hope you have the best lives and things like that, and the best friends and things like that. You know, all those good things that I see on your channel. I hope you keep it up and know that the more you keep going, the stronger your channel will be. Thank you for teaching me some things on my, for myself, for my channel, and things like that. God bless you and happy anniversary for 4 years.